Hey guys, welcome back to the another study video. Guys, in this video we will discuss when you try to update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS 18 version. You may check guys your update stuck on update requested. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, you may just go back and first of all guys, you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys, you make sure that you have an active internet connection. So if you're connected to Wi-Fi, you may click here on Wi-Fi, click on Wi-Fi name, and here is the option of forget this network. So click here and connect it again. And guys, if you're connected to mobile data, you may go back and you may click here on mobile services, and guys, you may click on mobile services option, or you may select your mobile data and you may select 3G, 4G or 5G from here. Then guys, you may scroll it down and click here on general, and here is the option of date and time. So you may click here and click on set automatically, turn this on. Then you may go back and you may click here on transfer or reset iPhone, click here on reset and click on reset network settings. After this, you may go back again and you may click here on software update again, click here on general and click here on software update, and guys, you may check your problem will be fixed and you can now update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS version easily. So let's check guys, our problem has been fixed and now our software is updating. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.